All right, guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you. My name's Kevin, and I live in this van with my two dogs, Barrett and Bella. Today, I'm building a storage facility that's going to go under the bed over this storage facility. This is called a decked system. Let me show you what that's all about. Take a look. So this is the deck system right here. This is what Sam and I built and installed last Sunday on Halloween. And this is what it is. It's 60 inches of drawers that pull out on each side. So as you see, I got two drawers 60 inches deep that are going to house things. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in here yet. Once I get the storage facilities built, then I'm going to decide where everything goes. But here's a locking mechanism. There's locks that I can purchase that goes here and here. And that's the first order of business when it comes to purchasing something for a safety concern or a security concern, because you all know that my van got broken into. So two locks are going there. But as of right now, what we're doing today is I'm going to build a storage facility about this high, and then the bed's going to go on top of it. And what's going to go in that storage facility is the reason why I'm building it. That is going to house my shower system, and it's also going to house my air conditioner and other tall things that are going to go into tubs. So I'm going to pull this bed out, and I'm going to start building. Sam and I went to Home Depot yesterday, and I bought a whole bunch of wood and plywood to be able to do this. So I'm going to get to it. I'm going to pull this bed out, and I'm going to start measuring and build that storage facility. The next time that you see me, you'll see the finished product. See you soon. Oh, so before I show you guys the finished project, I might as well show you what the deck system looks like with nothing on top of it. Take a look. Yeah, so this is the system right here. You can see that this actually holds 2,000 pounds. It's got a 2,000 pound payload. We have, they're called ammo canisters here. And this is just basically more storage that I'm probably never going to utilize. It is cool if you have a truck to utilize those, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Also, what's very cool is they have a little measuring thing here. But what I like the most is there's a beer bottle opener right there. All right, so I'm going to get to building. I'm going to finish this storage facility. That's probably going to go right to about here. And then the bed's going to go on top of it. So we'll see you soon. All right, now that I'm done battling the rain, I've gotten most of it done. I got to put the top on. But take a look at the product so far. Take a look. So this is what it's going to look like. Storage on this side, storage on this side, and my bed up top. I've got to put the plywood up top right now. So I'm going to go grab that plywood. I'm going to fit it up top, and there's going to be some form fitting. It's not going to be perfect, but that's all going to be hidden anyway. But this storage facility is going to do a huge thing for me in the future when it comes to upping my storage in the van, and that's one of the most important things for a van lifer: storage and weight. So let's get to it, and I'll show you the finished product here soon. All right, the finished product is in. Let me flip this camera around and show you guys. Take a look. All right, so there is the bed frame. It's all built. It's all secure, and the bed's going on next. I left this open area here because there's a lip, and in case I ever run into a situation where the distance from here to the ground is a container that is the exact height, I can lift the mattress up a little bit and then angle it in to slide it in because this back lip is here. Okay, so I'm gonna get the mattress on top and make the bed and let the dogs, there they are, let the dogs enjoy their home just a little bit here inside the van. So I'll turn this camera back on when I got the bed and the bedding on top of the bed back here. And maybe I'll get a video of the dogs laying on top. Stick around, that's coming up next. All right, so here's the finished product. The bed's on top, it's made, and my pillows are up there. But this is what it looks like. Take a look. There is what the storage area looks like. All I have to do next is make a wall that will cover the outside. I'll go to the other side and show you guys that. But again, this is the decked system. I think this was a huge purchase for me when it comes to van life. I mean, how can you argue with having this much storage space? Dogs love it. So now I have two containers that I can pull out that has storage for things that I don't need ready accessible to. I can also put a table on here so I can make dinner on my Coleman grill, and that be a table. So that's what it looks like from the outside. Let's go to the inside. So as of right now, this is what it looks like. This is a good rendition of what my build's gonna be because everything's out of here right now, so you guys can kind of get a gist of what I'm doing. So there's the other side of it. All I gotta do next is build a wall that goes over that. And then here, I'm gonna have storage cabinets that go up to the length of the bed here, down to the floor. And that'll be for canned goods, I think. And then right here, from that area to that area, I'm gonna build a closet that goes all the way up to the bottom of this cabinet. And I'll have a door that opens and then just shelves of everyday clothes. And then my refrigerator is gonna go over there. So I'll have all of this open floor space right here in the van. When you live in a van, the van build's never done. It's always gonna keep adapting, and that's why it's important to build it out while you're living in your van. So you get an idea of what is good and what's bad, what's gonna work for you and what's not gonna work for you. What worked for me was having the bunk beds here. The dog slept underneath. That worked for me, but the storage wasn't really to what I needed. So I'm always driving or I'm sleeping. One of the two, or I'm hanging out outside the van. So to give up that much storage so the dogs have bunk beds that they used only when I was driving and when I was sleeping, now, since the bed is lower than it used to be, they can jump up there and they can lay there while I'm driving. And then this open floor space right here, I'm gonna buy a dog bed because Bella's really not a bed sleeper. I'm gonna buy a dog bed and I'm gonna put it right there for her to lay on when it's time to go to sleep. But I'm gonna show you guys next why I built it to this specification. This is the exact reason why. I have some containers, I measured the height of them, and I measured by accident, believe me, perfectly to fit them in. Take a look. Okay, 90% of the stuff that I want in here is in here. It worked perfectly. I've got my big storage container that right now is housing a bunch of food. I have my guitar. I have my shower unit, which is in that blue tub, and I'll do a video reveal on that shower tub. I've got, here is the portable air conditioner, a camping air conditioner that a friend of mine lent me. And this is the battery system for it. You can see I still have some space here, and I still have some space here. I'm gonna get done filling this van up with all the stuff that I have stored at a friend of mine's house right now. And then Barrett and Bella and I are gonna hop into bed, and I think I'm gonna have a beer and watch a movie. Thanks guys for stopping by and checking out this video. Checked out Decked if you guys are looking to do a build to see if that would work for you. Please subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed yet and you're new to the channel. We're gonna travel this country, living in this van, my dog Barrett and Bella. We're both gonna travel this country, bringing you guys along with us to see what we see in this beautiful country. For as of right now, guys, this video has come to an end. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.